Hello students, today we are going to write exercise 6.4 in Max Fair book. So that is word problems. So number 1, there are 375 children in a kindergarten. Each child pays rupees 450 per month. What is the total amount of money received in a month? So there are how many children are there in kindergarten? That is 375 children, and each child how much they are paying? That is rupees 450. So what we have to find out? We have to find out how much amount of money received in a month, full month, how much money they are getting. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication to find out the total amount. So first we will start with the statement. So total children in kindergarten equal to, how many children are there? That is 375, right? And each child pays how much rupees? Equal to rupees 450. So now we have to find out the how much amount they are receiving in a full month. So what we will do? We will do the multiply. So 375 multiply by 450. So we will start with the 0. 0 5 is 0, 0 7 is 0, 0 3 is 0. Now we will multiply by 5. Before that we will write here 1 0. 5 5 is 25. So 5 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 5 7 is 35. 35 plus 2 37. So 7 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 18. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that we will write here 2 zeros. 4 5 is 20. So 0 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 7 is 28. 28 plus 2 30. So 0 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. Then 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 15. So now we will add. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 8 plus 0, 8, 1 plus 5, 6, then this 1 we will write down. So our answer is 1,68,750. So down we have to write the total amount of money received in a month is rupees 1,68,750. Now next, number 2. In a housing society there are 35 buildings. Each building has 45 flats. How many flats are there in the housing society? So one society, so there are how many buildings are there? That is 35. And in one building how many flats are there? That is 45. So we have to find out the total number of flats in the housing society. So first we will start with the statement. So number of buildings in a housing society equal to, how many buildings are there? That is 35. Then in each building how many flats are there? That is 45 flats. So what we have to do to find out the total number of flats? So we will multiply 35 multiply by 45. So we will multiply. We will start with 5. 5 5 is 25. So 5 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 17. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that we will write here 1 0. 4 5 is 20. So 0 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 14. So now we will add 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 0 7, 1 plus 4 5, and this 1 we will carry down. So how many flats are there? So there are 1575 flats in a housing society. Now number 3, a super fast train covers 125 km in 1 hour. What distance will it cover in 36 hours? Okay, so we have to find out how much distance is covered by the super fast train in 36 hours. So first we will start with the statement. A super fast train covers in 1 hour equal to how much kilometer? That is 125 kilometer. We have to find out distance covered in 36 hours equal to how much? So what we have to do? We have to multiply 125 multiply by 36. So we will start from 6, 6 5 is 30. So 0 we will write down, 3 will be carried over, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now we will multiply by 3. So before that we will write 1 0, 3 5 is 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 is 3. So now we will add 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 7 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 3 4. So our answer is 4500 kilometer distance will be covered in 36 hours. Now number 4, the cost of a watch is rupees 1250. Find the cost of 57 watches. So the cost of one watch is how much? That is 1250, and we have to find out the cost of 57 watches. So here we will write the statement. Cost of one watch equal to rupees 1250. We have to find out cost of 57 watches equal to how much. So what we will do? 1250 multiply by 57. Multiply by 57. So now we will multiply by 7. 7 zeros is 0, 7 5 is 35. So 5 we will write down, 3 will be carried over, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 8. Now we will multiply by 5. Before that we will write here 0, 5 zeros is 0, 5 5 is 25. So 5 we will write down, 2 will be carried over, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 6. Now we will add here 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 2 10. So 1 we will write down, other 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 6 7. So what is the answer? Cost of 57 watches equal to 71,250 rupees. Okay. Now next, number 5. A packet of sweets contain 110 sweets. How many sweets are there in 275 packets? So in one packet, how many sweets are there? That is 110 sweets. We have to find out in 275 packets how many sweets are there. Okay, so we will start with the statement. In one packet, how many sweets are there? 110 sweets. Okay, we have to find out in 275 packets equal to how much. So what we will do, we will multiply 110 multiply by 275. So we will start from 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now we will multiply by 7. Before that we will write 1 0. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Then we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 2 zeros. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now we will add 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. Now 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 2, 3. So there are 30,250 sweets in 275 packets. So there are 30,250 sweets in 275 packets. Thank you.